Hello, my name is David Connell from Anzan Professionals, and I want to tell you about a service that is gaining interest in the accounting profession in recent times, and it's one that I have tailored specifically for accounting firms. You're obviously aware that worldwide Toyota is highly regarded as a very efficient company. And one of the reasons for that is that they developed a process of waste audit within their organisation. What I have done is grabbed hold of that process and tailored it to accounting firms. And I have been running waste audits in accounting firms now for some years. I have a particular process for doing it. So it's something that I'm sure listeners may well have audit experience and have some idea of the benefits of carrying out a good audit. In this case, however, we're specifically looking at the area of productivity in an accounting practice. The average productivity across Australia is very low. It's only about 60%. And so I have no hesitation suggesting that the average loss or waste in an accounting practice is about 20%. When I walk around accounting firms, I see people who are busy and productive, and it's all happening. And yet, when you look at the timesheets at the end of the day, we have accounting firms producing 60% productivity. So what's happened to the rest? And it's that part which is extremely valuable to accounting firms that I'm focused on. So eliminating waste of valuable resources is the target. And professional firms, especially accounting firms, are not exempt from this business truth. So what's it worth to you to improve your productivity by, say, just 1%, 5%, 10%, 15 or 20? As I said, every practice has at least 20% waste, and that's a truth. So what I've done is I've developed a workbook and an agenda for a full day of working in your practice to facilitate discussion on this area and to implement project teams to follow up and improve the productivity in your practice. These are very interactive sessions. And invariably I find, we cover timesheets for example, excuse me, and invariably I find that staff in accounting practices have a very limited understanding as to why we use timesheets. Of course, you and I know that it's a costing system, but unfortunately in too many practices it's become a billing system, and staff are totally confused. So we look at that, and we concentrate on the 7 wastes that Toyota have identified. Now I'm not going to go into detail at this point on what these are. I simply suggest you contact me and I will send to you a copy of the agenda and a copy of the process. Very quickly, the sort of things we look at are the basic requirements of any business owner and talking to your staff, the value curve, lost opportunity cost, what business are you in, our profession undergoing revolution, time management, the actual waste reduction process, the 7 wastes, the waste audit program, prioritising the waste in your practice, setting up project teams, using force field analysis, looking at some key performance indicators, and maintaining the process. Now we finish up the day with a 1-page plan that summarises all that. So I urge you, if you believe that waste is there in your practice, and I'm sure it is, please contact me as soon as possible and make a booking for a waste audit on your practice. I thank you.